Imagine a motorhome that is not just an RV but a mobile fortress, designed to dominate any terrain while offering you the luxury of a high-end residence. What you're seeing here is the Caterpillar CAT Armored Expedition Motorhome, a true beast of engineering, blending rugged military-grade durability with sophisticated design. This is not a vehicle meant to be parked at a campground. It's built to conquer extreme conditions and bring you unparalleled comfort, no matter where you go. The CAT Armored Motorhome boasts a 6x6 wheel configuration, 6 massive wheels on each side, giving you unmatched traction and weight distribution. Whether it's muddy trails, rocky paths, or deep snow, this motorhome can handle it all with ease. The tires are built to tackle the toughest surfaces, ensuring that you can go anywhere without hesitation. With its aggressive tread pattern and rugged stance, it offers uncompromising stability on uneven ground. Every inch of this machine screams performance, from its reinforced bumper to its light bar mounted across the top. The front, the Caterpillar logo proudly graces the grille, symbolizing strength and resilience. The motorhome's wide grille, paired with LED headlights and strategically placed auxiliary lights, creates a bold and commanding presence on the road. The bumper is equipped with a winch, ready for recovery situations, and a set of recovery shackles ensures you're prepared for anything. The light setup is built for functionality as much as for style, turning even the darkest wilderness into daylight, making night driving effortless. Stepping inside this beast, it's immediately clear that the interior is designed for modern luxury. With its dark gray and matte black tones, the interior reflects the motorhome's imposing exterior. The seating arrangement in the living area is both cozy and functional, designed to be compact but incredibly comfortable. The leather upholstery, combined with the gray fabric cushions, creates a space that feels welcoming yet sturdy, much like the outside of the vehicle. The gold LED lighting brings warmth to the dark-themed cabin, creating an atmosphere that is both luxurious and grounded. It's the perfect balance of comfort and durability. You're in a motorhome, but it feels like home. The kitchen area is compact, but incredibly efficient. Featuring dark composite countertops and integrated storage, it's built for practicality. Whether you're making a quick meal after a long drive or preparing a feast for a group, this kitchen has everything you need to stay self-sufficient on the road. The modern cooktop and high-tech fridge integrate seamlessly into the sleek design. But let's be honest, the star of this motorhome is its driving capabilities. The cockpit, located at the helm of this armored fortress, is a technological marvel. It feels like you've stepped into the cockpit of a futuristic spaceship. The dashboard is fully digital, with a horizontal display that spans the length of the dash. Real-time data, navigation, and media are all integrated into one fluid system. The steering wheel is wrapped in luxury leather, with the Caterpillar logo at its center. Every detail is designed with precision, creating a premium driving experience. The center console is sleek and minimalist, with rotary knobs and touch-sensitive controls. The infotainment screen is massive, offering navigation, entertainment, and complete control over the climate and vehicle systems. The seats are premium black leather, designed to provide maximum comfort during long drives across rugged terrain. The gold ambient lighting adds a touch of class to the cockpit, while the panoramic windows offer unobstructed views of the landscape as you travel. Now let's talk about the living area, which continues the same philosophy of luxury and practicality. The modular seating is designed for comfort, with gray fabric cushions that complement the motorhome's dark and rugged aesthetic. The ambient lighting is soft yet functional, with gold LED strips accentuating the clean lines of the walls and ceiling. The small dining area is just as well thought out. 2 stools tucked under a sleek black table offer a functional dining solution without taking up too much space. The bedroom is a retreat designed for comfort and relaxation after a day of exploring. The queen-sized bed features soft gray linens, creating a calming, peaceful atmosphere. There are no distractions here, just quiet, comfort, and privacy. The panoramic windows offer stunning views of your surroundings, and the soft gold lighting adds warmth to the room. The underbed lighting glows gently at night, ensuring that you can easily navigate the room without disturbing your rest. Adjacent to the bedroom is the dressing area, designed for maximum organization and efficiency. The full-height wardrobes are half open, with clothes hanging neatly inside. The integrated mirror reflects the sleek and clean design of the motorhome, and the gold lighting inside the wardrobes ensures you can find what you need without fumbling around. A small vanity shelf holds your essentials, and the stool is tucked away for added convenience. It's not just a dressing area, it's a well-thought-out space that makes living on the road a little bit easier. The bathroom is just as functional, providing all the necessary amenities without sacrificing style. The enclosed shower has a handheld head, and the sink is integrated into the wall for a clean, modern look. The toilet is compact and functional, designed to make the most of the available space. The soft gold LED lighting creates a calming ambience, making this small space feel surprisingly spacious. In terms of power, this motorhome doesn't just have muscle, it has the ability to take you anywhere. Equipped with a massive engine and capable of climbing steep grades, navigating through deep mud, and powering through rocky trails, this motorhome is built for adventure. With locking differentials and a four-wheel drive system, it's ready for any challenge. The suspension system ensures that, even on the roughest trails, the cabin remains smooth and stable, giving you ultimate control on any terrain. Whether you're exploring remote deserts, traveling across mountains, or simply taking a scenic drive, the CAT Armored Expedition Motorhome is the ultimate vehicle to get you there. It combines the power of a military-grade vehicle with the luxury of a five-star hotel. From its rugged exterior to its modern interior, this motorhome is a perfect fusion of style and function. The question is, where would you go next in this ultimate mobile fortress? The open road awaits, and with this beast, no destination is out of reach.